been?
I've been around.
Jeez.
You're looking gorgeous.
Same to you. You
Wow.
look gorgeous. Man, I've missed you. Look at you. Look
Yeah,
at you.
all right. You're looking gorgeous. You're looking amazing.
No,
Look at you.
One.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
Ah, this is my estate now. That block 9.
Block 9. You stay here?
Yes, I stay there. Look at this, block 9.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I just recently relocated to this place.
You don't really.
I seriously mean this.
Really?
Yo,
Yes,
I
this
said
is
it, God, this
sweet.
is so good.
You're looking
I swear you look good.
Like, what the hell is going on here, David? Who are you? You know what? This conversation is over. And you, David?
Babe, what's wrong with you?
You're wrong with me. Like, who is she?
She's my ex-girlfriend. I mean, she just passed. She saw me standing. She came to say hi, and that's all.
Oh, really? Your ex-girlfriend in your estate, David? Oh my God, you don't believe it. Look at her hugging you, touching you like, are you crazy?
Babe, why are you overreacting?
How am I overreacting? She was all over like she wants you back in her arms. She was all over you like she wants you back on her bed, riding you like a horse. Can't you see everything? Her body language, looks in her eyes when she's even dressed.
Babe.
I don't like it. I don't like it. You know I hate it. You know it. You know what? Listen to this. See that girl? She doesn't exist in this estate. In this life and afterlife. She does not exist. Not when I'm alive. In this estate, you won't talk to her, you won't see her, and you won't go close to her because I exist. And you won't even go close to her, you dare not. You dare not, David, you dare not. You get it? Let's go. Let's go!
Yes, like I was saying. Yeah, exactly. No. Once you get to the junction. Yeah. Yes, very exactly. You're gonna see a white story building. Yeah, that's it. That's my house. Please, just come fast, alright? Sorry for the stress. There she goes.
My goodness. Oh my God, I have to park over there.
Yeah.
It's so difficult to locate here.
I'm so sorry. Welcome.
Thank you. Why are you here?
This is where I got to the apartment.
You
This is
could
where I
have told
stay.
me I could have found you something better in my estate.
Please,
Maybe
Lekki is
just so you
Lekki.
can
This
be
is
close to me.
Lekki. Whether I am in your estate or I'm not in your estate, we are in Lekki. So
But
stop
at least
it.
you'll be close to me.
I know your point actually. So what's up? What's up with you?
Going.
Weekend is fine.
No, we can buy.
Thanks.
I have a quick one.
All right.
So this is what I jot down from the meeting. This is for DW.
Oh, yeah.
And the boss wants you back tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow. I got you.
So,
I'll deliver it. Yeah, sure.
Babe! You speak here! Fuck that! Who is she? Dead!
Babe.
Excuse me! Are you stupid? Are you mad? What's that?
Babe, why are you always overreacting? Why are you overreacting?
I'm overreacting, right?
Oh God, shit. This girl is my office girl. She came to my house just to deliver these documents from work.
From work, I see. Documents from work. Indeed. Documents from work, indeed, Davis. Okay, fine, I get it. Nice one. The kisses, the hugs, the looks and everything, how she was running her body all over you was the file, right? Was the document, huh?
Baby.
It was, huh?
Baby.
Tell me she's one of them, Davis.
What are you talking about, baby?
Tell me she's one of the girls.
Babe, I don't have anything to... Yeah, fine. We used to have a crush on each other before at work, you know. That was when before I met you, right? So now you're here, you're the only one in my life. Trust me. What are you talking about?
David, why can't I be in a relationship with you like all your exes are dead? I want to kill all the memories of your exes in your head. I want to kill everything, your past memories. I want to kill them all. I want to be the only woman that's ever lied on your bed.
Babe, you are.
I'm not. You still have the memories in your head, and I don't want them. Anyways,
Baby.
love me like you're waiting me to be the only woman you ever fall for, and you've ever fallen for.
Baby, you are.
Make me a priority. Put me first in all. I want you all. I want all of you. Just you. I want another person. I want to share you. Tell me. I can't stand sharing another woman. Not even your exes. No. I want. Trust me, I want. I love you so much. And I'll always do.
Stop all of this. I am your man. For God's sake, I love you and you are the only one. Okay? I swear to God Almighty, I don't have anything to do with these ladies.
You know I don't like your exes. I don't never like exes. I don't want them. I don't need them.
Babe, let's go.
I want them dead. I don't want exes. I don't want to see another woman. I don't want to share you.
Let's go inside. Let me give it to you. So, huh? You know it now. You know how it goes. Come, let's go inside, alright?
Hey, brother! Look at you!
Oh my God! You're looking
No,
so
leave me alone.
beautiful.
I'm so angry at you.
Hey,
I'm so mad at you and you know it. You didn't call me, you didn't text me, you didn't do anything. You literally forget I existed.
no, I'm sorry. I've been busy with work and that's just
Work
the
is more
problem.
important than me. Your only sister.
I'm sorry. Cross my heart. I'm sorry.
Look at you.
You're looking so beautiful.
You're looking sweet. You like how you're the fine one supposed to find it, Joe.
You're also beautiful. Stop that.
Oh, really?
I've really missed you, sister.
I miss you more. If you really miss me, you would have contacted me.
How is mom and dad?
Mom and dad are fine. They always do their thing, shouting and nudging, and they're there.
All right. So welcome. Before we go in, I want to tell you something. There is somebody inside I want to introduce to you.
Can't explain, sir. You should have told me sooner. Somebody has already taken my space in your life. Your only sister.
What are you talking
I'm
about?
happy for you, though. It doesn't matter as long as she's a good girl.
You're gonna like this girl. I swear to God, she's the bone of my bones. She is the flesh of my flesh. She has literally
I
taken my
can't
heart.
wait to tell mom and dad. I'll be excited when I bring
See.
it home.
Soon and very soon. I must look at you right
you
now
going?
and tell you that I am in love, sister.
Somebody doing with love. Mom
Girl.
and dad is going to be so happy. They'll be saying they will bring him a wife. Bring him a
You're crazy. What's going on? Are you mad?
Wait, what?
What the
Christ.
Hey, Jim, what do you think you want to do? Do you want to hit me? You want to slap me? Abby? Dave, is this the bitch you told me you want to marry? What bitch? You cannot marry a tyrant for a wife. If she's the one you want to marry, I swear on my life, I'll never let you marry her. And you, I hope it's not too late before you realize. Davis, you care for mom and dad. Excuse me. What just happened?
Did you see what you did now?
Like what just happened? What happened? Who is she?
You talk to me now. Who is she?
Don't you have a sister?
She's not my sister. She's my ancestors, okay? You slapped me in front of my sister? Babe, I was supposed to introduce you to my parents like next week. And look at you slapping me in front of my own sister.
You know you're your sister. I did not know. You don't tell me. You said she was even coming. I was supposed to know.
I have told you severally about this your tyrant attitude and you don't want to listen.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I'm sorry.
What will sorry do right now?
Don't give over me. I don't know.
I'm tired. Let me go inside.
Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go.
What will I do? See, it's too late.
I'm sorry.
Leave me before I fall off.
I'm sorry.